Hey everyone, Mark from Opal. Yeah, just thought I'd show you a quick video on changing over the exhaust system on this Kanga. We're working underground, as you know, mining, so carbon monoxide is a real problem for us. So I've got a fan set up, moving a fair bit of air at the moment, but I'm getting deeper into the mine now, and it's a bit of a safety issue. So anyway, I forked out for one of these Predator exhausts, which basically is, what do they call it? It's a particulate reduction catalyst, which what that basically means, it changes carbon monoxide through heat from the exhaust into some precious metals inside this container, and then it turns it into carbon dioxide and water vapour. So anyway, what I thought I'd do before I change it, I thought we'd fire the machine up, get it up to temperature, and stick a gas meter on the end of the exhaust. Even though we're not in a confined space, it'll give us a bit of an idea of what it's putting out as far as carbon monoxide at the moment. Change it over and then do another test and see what the difference is. So stay with me, and we'll change this over and go from there. I'll show you some of the tools we're going to use as well. Okay, so this is what we'll be using. This is my carbon monoxide meter, ProTedge or whatever ZM they're called. Basically it's got a high-low alarm, which basically I think it's set at about 35 is its low, don't quote me on that, and 200, oh there you go, 35 parts per million, and 200 is its high alarm. So I'm going to use that to measure carbon monoxide, and over here I've got a little flare, which is basically a thermal camera, and it's the model C2 I think it is. So these are pretty cool. We use this for electrical testing and all sorts of stuff. So we'll get the exhaust up to temp and suss it out and see what we can find. Okay, so that wasn't a very good test. It's really hard to juggle cameras and that, and to be honest I haven't got time to be messing around with that. So yeah, it had pretty high reading straight up. We're not even in a confined space, so obviously, you know, that's to expect if you're stupid enough to stick a gas detector straight on the end of an exhaust. So anyway, we got up to about, it was only a bit over 100 degrees. I didn't give it a real good run because the other reason is I don't want to get too hot because I want to change the thing. So anyway, this is it. This is a kit, gasket, for just an exhaust gasket. That's a Kubota one. That's the new exhaust, and the little tip comes with it. So there you go. And inside they've got this, I've got some light happening hopefully. So inside they've got like a bit of a honeycomby looking thing. Basically, yeah, it's precious metals apparently, so I think it's platinum or something off the top of my head. Possibly gold for all I know, because they're not cheap, but hopefully a good product. Anyway, I'll put the new one on and see what happens. Okay, she's on. Wasn't too much of a drama. New gasket. Put a little bit of gasket goo around there, not too much, because I didn't want any to come off and go through the mesh inside of here. So that's the thing anyway, suited to a Kanga. What is it, a 1510047. Anyway, so we shall see what happens. I'll just put the rest back together and give it a try. Okay, so there you go, she's all back together, and yeah, really hard to tell from that experiment. It definitely, well, I can't smell any fumes, which is not a good thing because carbon monoxide's odourless anyway. But I did notice the exhaust temperature down here doesn't get as hot. doesn't seem to be much restriction at all, so that's good. And basically when I hold the gas detector back where I normally do, back out here, as you can see, it didn't really creep up that much, whereas the other one went up to a couple of hundred, went to alarm. So yeah, anyway, we shall see once we get underground. We'll know what the go is. So anyway, nice little unit, bolted in, no worries. And yeah, cool. Thanks for watching. See ya.